Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. Today our new topic is geometric mean. Now what is geometric mean? The geometric mean of the two numbers a and b is a multiplied by b under root. It means that what we do that we multiply those two numbers and we take the square root of that, and that will be the geometric mean. For example, we have the two numbers. Find the geometric mean of 4 and 16. Now what we do that we multiply 4 and 16 and then we take the square root of it. 4 multiplied by 16 square root, it will be under root 64, and the answer will be 8. So we can say that 8 is the geometric mean of 4 and 16. Now we will learn little bit new thing about the geometric mean. So this is the interesting fact that the two numbers were 4 and 16. The geometric mean was 8. Now let's suppose if 4 divided by 8 should be equal to 8 divided by 16. Now this is the interesting fact in the geometric mean. For suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. A divided by B should be equal to B divided by C. 4 divided by 8 is 1 upon 2 or 0.5. Similarly, 8 divided by 16 is equal to 1 upon 2 or 0.5. Now let's compare it with arithmetic mean. In arithmetic mean, we know that we simply take the mean in a simple way. For example, these two numbers 4 plus 16 divided by 2, 20 upon 2, it will be 10. But the geometric mean is 8. So there's a little bit difference between the answer of the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean. The geometric mean may be little bit lesser than arithmetic mean or equivalent to arithmetic mean, but not more than arithmetic mean. Thank you for watching this video.